In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can speed up your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my video here in my timeline, and there are two options I have to speed it up. First, I can long press this ripple edit tool and choose the rate stretch tool, or press R on my keyboard. And then I'm just going to drag the end of my clip in like this. And if you now play it, you can see that it has been sped up. Now let me Ctrl Command Z so we can look at the second option. This is the normal speed of the clip. And then you can also right click the clip, go to speed duration, and here you can give in a percentage or the exact time you want the clip to be. So let's say we want to speed it up 250%. As you can see, our duration changes also. Then you press OK, and now your clip has also been sped up. Well, those are two options you have in Adobe Premiere Pro to speed up your videos. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.